Hey guys, Christy here, and today I am going to show you inside Canva a really cool tool that you can use to kind of manipulate your photographs so you can arrange things the way you like it. And it is called Magic Grab. So what I'm going to do, you first just need to pick whatever photo it is that you want to use. So let's just say it's this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and set it as my background here. And then you're going to actually click on the photo, and then where you see edit photo here, you're going to see the Magic Studio. You see the options. This is the one you want. It's called Magic Grab. So you go ahead and click on it, and right away it does its thing in the background, and it's awesome. So what I want to do is take the woman here in the picture, and I want to move her. See now, ooh, look at that. I can move her anywhere I want now in the picture. Because let's say I want to add some text here. Each day is a chance to start anew. Whatever it is you doing there, you want to do a nice motivational quote, put a little rectangle behind it. You can do that. I'm going to change the color of that, white. And there you go. It's like a whole new design. Obviously, you know, you'd probably play around with this a little more to get it to look a little more fancy. And then I'm going to transparent that just a little bit. But there you go. Isn't that awesome? That's what you can do. I mean, the sky's the limit when it comes to how you can use this tool. But mainly, it just gives you that option to take images or take objects from an image, be able to select it and move it around. Because sometimes you find just the right picture, right? And then, but you can't get it to work because it doesn't have enough space to put the text that you want on there. So this solves that problem completely. So it's a pro feature. So just, you know, have that in mind. But you are going to love this, and I really would love to know what you think about it. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.